The Kenwood R1000 communication receiver. It's a very heavy-duty, well-built rig. It has the AC to DC power supply inside of it. That's my all-star node going off IDing. It has a clock on and off set, time reset the timer. It just shuts itself off. It's got a dimmer, noise blanker. It does cover AM wide and narrow mode, upper sideband, lower sideband, and CW. Doesn't do FM. For 10 meters, you might be able to interpret a FM signal on AM. It's got the audio frequency gain and the outer ring, just the tone from bass to treble. The attenuator down to 60 dB attenuation. I find way too much. Even 20. I've never had anything with my improvised long wire around the house to need 20 dB of attenuation. The band knob, you start at like 1 megahertz and go up to 29. Each spin of the dial covers that band like 1 megahertz wide or whatever. That's fine. That's dandy. There's a little bit of overlap up and down, so if you need to, whatever. But what I wish it would have is a preamp and an RF gain. That would truly make this thing a spectacular receiver. Don't get me wrong, the audio coming out of it is really great, as you're going to see, but there's just a couple things that Kenwood could have done and really made this over-the-top receiver and probably one of the best of all times. That's my humble opinion. Enjoy the video. Got this Kenwood R1000 shortwave receiver from my friend Adam, WD1AJM. Just took some Clorox wipes and wiped it down, gave it a bath. Looks like I got a little bit of stain there and over in that corner, but anyways, overall, no antenna on it. And about 3 miles across town, we're listening to WSYB 1380 AM. Not bad. So it's alive, it lives. So what do we got? We got the volume pot, attenuator, band selector, the modes, no, FM, no, AM, upper sideband, lower sideband, and CW, tuning knob, the display, S meter, timer, time and set. Not a bad little receiver. Got some real good sounding audio out of it, so.
And we feel, I've done this so many times. And as I did that, Lord said to me, I'm not happy.
I don't know if one of the capacitors and the power supply is going bad. Heard a little bit of hum. It's not my all-star node.
Okay, I can send it to 10. And I can from that 10 to make it right. If I'm obedient, you Holy Spirit, if I've been wrong.
No, it's just got a coax and a antenna on there. It's a coaxial sleeve dipole for 2 meters, and I just added on a whole bunch of extra wire to the center conductor. Seems to be working. Worldwide Christian radio out of, I think it's Florida. It's working. I have no idea what the CB channel is. I'm not into CB radios, but a whole bunch of guys competing over top of each other with amplifiers. Muhammad Ali. Sounds almost like they're on the sideband. back to AM. I don't have FM on this thing. Only have like a 30-foot wire attached to the antenna lead. It's almost 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. 3933 is a Vermont net, but I don't know if it's still at 4 or 4:30, so I'm just going to leave it here and sit and wait, turn the volume down, and see if anything happens. A whole lot of white noise on there. Here, I can't concentrate. Got the TV going on in the background. Worked. Anyways.